Hello everyone and welcome once again to Moorgate Andrology. I'm delighted today to be joined once again by Dr. Greta Piculite.
Hello.
Hi Greta, nice to see you again.
It's nice to see you.
And today we're going to talk about a relatively new penis enlargement injection treatment. And this one is different to hyaluronic acid treatments, which most people know about. This one is called Ellanse. And Greta, can you tell us a little bit more about how Ellanse works to enlarge the penis?
Generally speaking, it is an injectable filler, like a lot of other fillers that have been already introduced into the market.
Yeah.
However, it is slightly different from the rest of them. The main difference would be that it's composed from two materials, and one of them is gel carrier, and another one is microspheres of a specific substance called polycaprolactone, which is a special polymer, and it has biostimulating properties.
So what we're saying then is that Ellanse stimulates production of your own collagen.
Indeed.
So your penis is growing organically or naturally, as opposed to hyaluronic acid, which is a sort of man-made filler, if you will.
Yes, you could tell like that.
Yeah, okay. And the gel carrier itself, does this sort of enlarge the penis initially before this collagen stimulation happens, as it were?
Exactly. It's an initial bulking agent.
I see. And I understand that this gel carrier breaks down over time and is replaced by your own collagen. So that's quite remarkable, really, isn't it?
It is.
And how long does the treatment actually last?
Compared to hyaluronic acid, which lasts, let's say, up to 18 months. This one can last much longer, and you can choose an exact length from the following. You can choose 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years.
Okay. And how do those products differ?
If you would remember that I told that the polymer is the one of the main ingredients of Ellanse, I can tell you that that polymer can come in different lengths.
So it's the length of the polymer itself.
The length of the chain of a polymer is a factor that makes the product lasting for a different length of time.
Excellent. So it can last up to 4 years?
It can.
So that's considerably longer than hyaluronic acid then?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
So presumably if you're trying the treatment for the first time or you're not sure, you could try the 1 year option first, and then if you're happy with that result after a year, you could maybe upgrade, as it were, to 2, 3 or 4 year option as you wish.
I would suggest exactly like that.
And after the treatment itself, the recovery period, is that similar to hyaluronic acid injections? No sex for a week or 10 days? A little bit of bruising, swelling maybe?
Yes, side effects are completely the same. However, rate is really low.
Excellent, excellent. So there you are. So that's Ellanse, a relatively new penis enlargement injection treatment that's now available in the UK and also available right now at Moorgate Andrology.